been walking for miles. It all looks the same.
We're lost.
We're almost at the tunnels. Trust me.
It's been 5 days. Admit it, they abandoned us.
Something must have happened to them.
Either way, we're on our own.
We go to the metro station
The lab
and
is
find out
gassed
for
out.
ourselves.
We have to vent it.
Start looking for a ventilation switch.
Map says straight ahead, through the lab.
There's a creep here. I can feel it. Nice work!
We have to go. Excellent work.
I got the creep!
Excellent work.
Got it. Vent switch right here.
Timur! That was great.
I got it. Let's move. See if you can find a way out of here. Fucking starving.
If you could have anything, what would it be?
I would kill.
That was my fault. Shade work.
I can feel it.
That was great. Hey, Timur! Excellent work.
Holy shit! Look at these tanks. They're making tons of this stuff.
Where are you, creep? It was beautiful!
An easy fix. Hold on. You're done. Watch yourself.
Down you go, bitches!
What if there's a giant pink cloud ready to welcome us when we get outside?
According to Svetlana, we'll be clear of the gas cloud.
A strong wind could change that.
C4 for a door.
Take a look over here.
I'm sorry. That was great. Very nice. Reaching the door. Switching to heavy.
I knew it! They're making this stuff in bulk!
Looks like Moscow was just a test case.
I doubt this was intended to fight zombies.
Look over here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was my...
It was beautiful!
Somebody! It's that was my fault.
What's your socks?
I've got this. Reloading. Let me take a look.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was my...
We're done here. Get to the chamber.
Metro tunnels should be on the other side of this door. That was my fault.
Let's give it a try.
Have a look at Ivan.
Well, look at that. I'm sorry I doubted you, Oksana.
I'm sorry.
Father, protect us.
Please
Take a look
hurry.
over here.
Machine gun is ready.
That was me, sorry.
I'm sorry. Excellent work. That was my fault. I'm reloading.
Please, come in. Waiting in 20. Get to the metro station.
Svetlana, where are you?
Oh, thank God. We're above ground. Under assault.
What happened to you?
We lost people. We tried to come back, but everything went to hell.
We're close. Zack Screamer! Reloading! I'm sorry.
I need you to do something. We have to flood the tunnels with gas.
Let's just get out of here.
There's 300 kilometers of metro tunnels. Could be thousands of them down there.
Fine. Let's just get this over with.
I'm sorry. We have to go. I see. Where is that?
What do you need us to do?
There's a control room at the end of the platform. Get to it.
Look what I found. I'm reloading. I see a gas bag.
I think I found the control room.
There's a main power circuit. Switch is on.
Got it. What now?
There are service rooms alongside every platform. Both sides, both levels. Find the room with the red light above the door.
Okay, searching. Svetlana, I found it.
Where is it?
Lower level on the left side.
In the main control room, there are two sets of switches. One on each side of the room. They direct power to the different platforms in the station. Activate the switch that corresponds to the location of the service room you just found.
An easy fix. Hold on.
The room was on the lower level.
I think it's powered on.
That was my fault. I'm sorry.
Green light. What now?
Go inside the service room. There should be a button. Push it.
Done.
Excellent. Now repeat the process. Find the next service room with the red light.
Tell us what we're doing here, Doctor.
We are overriding isolation security protocol so we can vent the entire network.
That sounds safe.
I'm reloading. Somebody kill that screamer! It's a screamer! Screamer down! All guns on the ball! The bull is down. Reloading! I don't see the light.
Keep looking. Could be either level.
I'm not seeing any light.
Keep looking. Could be either level.
I'm reloading. I don't see the light.
Keep looking. Could be either level.
I'm sorry. We got the bull!
Have a look at this.
That was my fault.
Where is this damn light?
Keep looking. Could be either level.
Found the medkit.
This is it. What now?
Where is it?
Upper floor. Left side of the platform.
Activate the switch that corresponds to the location of the service room you just found.
Look out! Creeper! Powered up.
Damn lighting pro green light. What now?
Go inside the service room. There should be a button. Push it.
Done.
Why are we doing this
Excellent.
now?
I held off as long as I could. I had to give you a chance to get out.
Take out this creep! Keep your hand down, sister. Please hurry!
Where are you, creep?
I'm reloading!
This is it. What now?
Where is it?
Lower floor. Right side of the platform.
Activate the switch that corresponds to the location of the service room you just found.
Green light. What
Powered
now?
up.
Go inside the service room. There should be a button. Push it. One more. As soon as you turn on the last one, the gas will start, so get out immediately.
Done.
Excellent. Now repeat the process. Find the next service room with the red light.
Reloading! That was my fault. Svetlana, I found it.
Where is it?
Top floor, on the left side.
Activate the switch that corresponds to the location of the service room you just found.
I think it's powered on.
It's green.
Go inside the service room. There should be a button. Push it. One more. As soon as you turn on the last one, the gas will...
Svetlana, we got them all.
That's going to pull in the gas. Now get out. Up the escalators.
Hurry! The gas is flooding the station! Hit the door control switch!
I'm sorry.
Someone's here.
Let me take a look.
Let's get to it.
I'm reloading. That was my fault.
An easy fix.
I'll be okay now.
Die, motherfuckers!
Take them out.
I'm sorry. Please hurry. Excellent work.
Thank you. So good to see you.
Helicopter is on its way, but we have multiple swarms closing in. We need to set up a perimeter. Doctor, keep your head down until this is over.
I can help fight them.
I gave you an order, Doctor. Now move it!
Don't worry, Svetlana. Let us handle this.
We know the drill. I'm hurt bad.
I need a medkit.
Hold still for a second.
Everybody stay quiet. That was my fault. That was great. We have to go. That was my fault.
Machine gun ready!
Father Sergei. That was my fault.
Look over here.
I'm sorry. That was great. Please hurry. Reloading. I'm sorry. We have to go. They're all over the platforms, coming our way!
Hurry up!
Please hurry. I'm reloading. Rest in peace.
They're coming from the church.
We have to go. Timur! Excellent work. Reloading! Rest in peace. It's an infector! An easy fix. Hold on, you're down. Watch yourself. Keep your head down this time. I have to get this off. That was my fault.
Check this out.
I'm busted up. Need meds. Does anyone have a medkit? I need.
Choppers here! Come on, let's go!
Over here, stand your ground.
I'm busted up.
Up there! They're dropping from the roof!
That was close.
Take out this gas bag.
That, come on, move!